Hi guys, Fliteska here. In today's video, we are going to be creating a very simple elevator using a platform helper and a thing known as the simple elevator master. As in the case for every other video that we've done so far, we are already in the CK. I have my mod open, I'm in a test cell, and what we are going to do is we are going to just get the pieces that we need to create an elevator. So I'm going to do a very basic elevator to start off with. We're going to get a shack floor, and that can be, I can't even think of the name of it now. This one, right, we've got a shack floor, and we need a, a button. So if I just type in button and then come across to activators, and we will just pick um, a red box button. So it's kind of just floating in the air. We're going to place that on the edge there, and just so it's not just floating there, I will also get a shack wall as well, just so I've got something that I can sit against. We want, that'll do. It's not going to be a very immersive elevator, but it will do what we want it to do, so it's fine. Okay, so what we're going to do is when you press this button, we're going to move this, this, and the button itself. And how we do that is using a platform helper, if I can actually spell them correctly. They are found under activator, and you've got platform helper 301. You just drag that in, and you can see that it is ginormous, and we definitely don't want it that big. So I'm going to click on it, and holding S on the keyboard, I'm going to drag down just to make it lower. And we'll probably get squashed if we try to use that still. Oh, just zoom in. You can see in the background that I've already set this up, but we're going to just make another one. Okay, that's kind of what we want. So what it will do is it'll go from this position, there's like a little blue mark on the bottom there, and it will bring it up to the top here, which is this blue mark. But what we want to do is we want to choose our floor, choose our wall, try and choose our button if it's going to let us click it. There we go. And I'm just holding control there to select multiple ones. Make sure I haven't got the platform helper selected. Don't believe I do. Nope. I'm going to press minus on my keyboard just to bring up the batch reference. We want set attach to ref, select reference in render window. We're going to double click on our platform helper and press do, and you'll notice that there's now a bunch of lines to our platform. Okay, so now we've got that all set up. We are going to come into the filter, type in simple elevator, simple elevator master. You'll see this red sphere, and what this does, this is what will actually do the movements for the elevator. And what we want to do with this is, well, first I will show you what properties we have to work with here. So the main ones that you actually care about are Time taken to move, like that is just default to 4 seconds. If you want to go quicker, change this value to something lower. If you want to go slower, obviously go higher. Does it start at the top? So does it start at the bottom or top? By default, it starts at the bottom. So you can see that it will, this is like the bottom. If you wanted to start at the other end, you just set that to true. Link customer 1 is the platform helper, which is this bit here. Link custom 2 is a button or a chain of buttons. Like, I've never been able to get a chain working, but you can have multiple buttons. So you could have one like on the elevator, one next to it, one like where the elevator ends up. I've never been able to get that to work, but if you can manage that, good luck. And number 5, link custom 05 is the actual elevator platform, so it would be this floor. And what we have to do is if we come across to linked ref, right click new, select reference in render window, and hopefully hit our platform. Yep, we did. We want link custom 01. We want our button, which is R but red button, red R button, sorry. Link custom 02, and our platform is link custom 05, and that should be us all set up. And the idea is you click that button, it will take anything that has the like attach ref up this orange pole. You press it again and it will come back down. So I'm going to jump into game and we'll see that in action. Okay, we are in game now, and you can see my lovely little elevator here. I'm going to walk onto it, and not really sure why I'm crouched, but it's fine. If I click A, you can see that we're vibrating my way up to the top. And if I press it again, we go back down. If you try to do this in multiple steps, like if you came into the cell and like had parts of this set already set up, like things linked together, you might find that you can't actually use the elevator and it just doesn't work. Just leave the cell, come back, and you'll be good to go. And I'm just going to show you this other one over here that I made before this. So this is what I meant about the additional buttons not working. So it just doesn't do anything. But if I come in and click on this one, it works. And this other one also doesn't work. Not really sure why. But that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.